Hi everyone, this is Bidyasagar Salam from Pace Media, and in my previous videos I have talked much how good Lottie animation is, and it is the latest trend web animations. Now let's try to insert these Lottie animations inside our Elementor web design. Let's install a plugin. By default, we do not have Lottie widgets elements in our Elementor base builder, so we have to install here. There are many, here's more than 3 plugins here available for Lottie animations, and the largest number of installation is this one by Animated ASVG. Let's install this one. Activate it. And let's go to pages, and here let's check this out. Okay, here Lottie, search Lottie. Here, this is the one that we have installed, here. This is default. Here, these free Lottie animations are from this lottiefiles.com. Here we can select the category animal and choose the available icons or animations. Let's say hero section graphics. Here, this is hero section graphics, and we can choose here. And there are many available, many free animations available. You can choose one. These animations are meant for hero section, mainly in the home page or hero section, landing page, and icons, objects. Here, let's try object. Here, box open, gears. Okay, and this is all from lottiefiles.com here, and available for free. There are many options, more than 200 free icons available by default in this plugin, and you can upload your own. Here you can upload your own JSON file. Here I have already uploaded here. I will download it from here in the lottiefiles.com. This one I will insert this one here. Here, this is manually uploaded Lottie file animation, or you can choose here block icons. Block icons are available too. Here, chart, cloud envelope, and fill icon graphic. Here, bulb, lots of options. I think the free version will meet your needs almost, and if you want extra, you can go for the premium version of this plugin. Here they have premium version of this plugin. You can buy the premium here. This on this link. This is the URL of this plugin developer. You can buy the premium version of this plugin. Yeah, here this is how lots of options on how you insert or choose icons or Lottie animations, you can insert links. You can link this animation to other pages of the website or external website. And speed, you can adjust the speed of the animation. Delay, you can adjust autoplay, on off, loop, reverse, play on mouse over, etc. you can choose. And style, wide, you can adjust. Maximum wide, you can adjust. For mobile, you can adjust. Alignment, rotation, you can adjust it according to your needs. Opacity, here, transition duration, hover animation. Here you can adjust according to your needs. Here lots of style options and lots of icons to choose from. And if the icon you want is not available here in this plugin, you can search in this lottiefiles.com. First search in the free section if it is available in the free section. If it is not, then buy the premium one. I think free but icons or animations will meet your need most of the time, but sometimes if you want to design some niche, a particular website, and you want to extra unique icons, you can try the marketplace. And if it's not available in the marketplace, you can hire these animated designers. That's how you insert Lottie animations in your Elementor web design. You don't have to worry how to design these animations. This plugin developer or designers, animated designers, will do that all for you. You just have to concern on how to manage the page layout in your website, where to put these animations, how to integrate with other elements of the pages, how to combine these Lottie animations with motion effects or scroll animations of the Elementor. You can combine this with say face and parent left here like this. You can combine with this with the here like this. You can combine with motion effect or scroll animation of Elementor, page builder, and with these Lottie animations, it may make the animation more interactive or more beautiful, attractive. So you have to concern only on how to tweak these things, available settings, extra settings given by the plugin developer or Elementor page builder. You don't have to concern how to design. Yes, I have mentioned before in my previous video, if you are not experienced in Adobe Illustrator, graphic vector designing, or Adobe After Effects, then please leave aside the designing part. You only focus on this Elementor page builder and design your website or website of your clients. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my video.